In this video, I'll show you how you can add the vignette effect on your video in Davinci Resolve 16. So this will be a simple step-by-step tutorial that's going to show you how you can do this, and I'm going to get started right now since I don't want to waste your time. So I start off by opening a clip in my timeline and then clicking on edit, and that's what you want to do as well. So that's step number one. Now when you're here, all you need to do is click on the effects library right there, and you'll find all of these different effects. So click on open FX, make sure that's opened, and then click on filters right there, and then you can actually scroll down, and in this list you should be able to find the vignette effect, which I'll just find right now. So you want to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then right there you'll find it. Click on it. If you want to, you can add this as a favorite as well, so that you don't have to find it in this like long list. You can just find it in your favorites, but select it and then drag it onto your clip right there, and this should add the effect. You can already see that it looks pretty cool. You can then customize that as well by clicking on inspector, and then if you scroll down, click on open FX, and then you'll find the effect. You can go with the basic one or the advanced one. I'll just go with basic. You can then adjust the size as well. So right now there's no effect. If you drag this over, you can see the effect. You can pretty much customize this to whatever you need, and yeah, that's pretty much how you can get this effect. It's pretty cool, and you can also change the color if needed, so you can do this with blue as well. So it's a pretty cool effect. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.